Join me on how to fix the top makeup mistakes everyone makes for a flawless look. Most makeup mistakes are easy to fix to achieve the look of your dreams. The biggest challenges is uneven application of makeup. Whether it's a streaky foundation or lopsided eyebrows, unevenness can instantly detract from an otherwise flawless face. Another common issue is choosing the wrong shades for your skin tone. Whether it's a foundation that's too light or too dark, or eyeshadows that clash with your eye color, the wrong shades can make you look unhealthy and tired. Neglecting skincare is another huge mistake that can affect the way your makeup looks. When your skin is dry, dull, or breaking out, even the best makeup products can't hide the imperfections. And let's not forget about the importance of prepping your skin before applying makeup. Exfoliating, moisturizing, and priming your skin can make all the difference in the world. The right tools or techniques can also hinder your ability to achieve a flawless look. Whether it's using low-quality brushes or sponges, or not knowing how to contour and highlight, the right tools and techniques can make your makeup look more polished and professional. One of the biggest mistakes is over-applying products. Whether it's too much foundation, too much powder, or too much blush, too much of a good thing can instantly look cakey and overdone. Another mistake is skipping primer. Primer is essential for helping your makeup stay in place all day, and for creating a smooth, even surface. Adhere to. Whether it's not blending out your eyeshadow or not feathering out your eyebrows, not blending can make your makeup look harsh and unflattering. And let's not forget about the importance of setting your makeup. Not setting your makeup can cause it to fade. One impactful tip is to invest in good quality brushes. Good quality brushes can make all the difference in the world when it comes to applying makeup. They can help you achieve a more seamless, natural look, and they can also help you apply your makeup more quickly and efficiently. Blending art is game-changing tips essential for creating a natural, seamless look, and it can make your makeup look more polished and professional. Whether you're blending out your eyeshadow, your eyebrows, or your foundation, mastering the art of blending can take your makeup to the next level. Makeup is all about trial and error, experiment, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to try out new products, new techniques, and new looks. You never know what you might discover, and the more you experiment, the more confident you'll become. By fixing these makeup mistakes, instantly improve your look and take your makeup to the next level. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a little time to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your biggest makeup mistakes. I'd love to hear from you.